ওয়েলকাম টু মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। আজ আমি 2022 সালের এইচএস পরীক্ষার ইংলিশ পার্ট বির যে প্রশ্নগুলো ছিল তার সাম আপ করছি। প্রথমেই প্রশ্ন এখানে রয়েছে, আব্দুল কালামস ফাদার would convey complex spiritual concepts into simple down to earth. উত্তর অপশন হবে সি, তামিল। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 2, the wounded man was actually Jar's enemy. The narrator had the compartment to himself up to Rohana. Next question, or the যেটা রয়েছে, the girl in the train compartment thought the narrator to be, C option হবে gallant and serious. Kalam's ancestral house was built in option A, the middle of 19th century. তারপরে এসছে SAQ, who did the narrator of I Have It think to be formidable creature? According to the narrator of the I Have It, the answer thought to be formidable creatures. B, Kalam's what does Kalam's father say about the importance of prayer? Kalam's father says that prayer makes a possible of communion of the spirit between people. Question number 3, what did Kalam's father use to avoid? Abdul Kalam's father used to avoid all essential comforts and luxuries. Question number 4, what was the hermit doing when the jar came to take leave of him? When the jar came to take leave of him, the hermit was sowing seeds on the beds. 5, why did the jar put on simple clothes before meeting the hermit? The jar put on simple clothes before meeting the hermit because the hermit only received common people. Question number 6, how did the girl describe the narrator? The girl described the narrator as gallant and serious. What according to the hermit is the most important thing to do? According to the hermit, the most important time is present time, because it is the only time when we have any power. Question number 9, where was the girl in the story I Have It get off? The girl in the story I Have It got off at Saharanpur. এরপরে MCQ পোয়েট্রি থেকে, নেচার ইজ প্লেস টু কিপ দ্য soldier warm. Question number 2. Being tired, the grasshopper is beneath the present weight. The mass of wounded of soldier are in his side. Or it, the darling birds of May are second by the wind of May. The nature's changing course is untrimmed. ECQ. Where does the soldier lie stretched? The soldier lies stretched in the heavy undergrowth. Where is the soldier? Why is the soldier pale? The soldier is pale as he dies in the battle. The what kind of poem is shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Is Shakespearean sonnet. Where do the birds hide when they are faint with the hot sun? The birds hide in cooling trees when they are faint with the hot sun. Question number 5. How long will the young man be remembered in Shakespeare's sonnet number 18? The young man will be remembered for time till the man's existence in this world. What does the eyes of heaven refer to? The eyes of heaven refers to the sun. What shall death not break? In Shakespeare's sonnet, death shall not break the beauty of poet's friend, written in this sonnet. From where is the shrill song of the cricket heard? Poetry of art. The shrill song of cricket is heard from the stove. Where does the stream leave long strands of silver? The stream leaves long strands of silver on the bright grass. Therefore, proposal Lomov's aunt's name is Nastasia Mihirovna. C option. Lomov went to neighbor Chubakov's house to give a marriage proposal. Question number 3. Chubukov said that Lomov's aunt's younger aunt had run away with architect. The worst of Lomov's physical problem is his palpitation.